Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to integrate Datadog with Azure. Firstly, go to the Azure Marketplace and search for Datadog, then click on the Datadog app. Click Get It Now to proceed the app. Now open the Azure portal and navigate to Create a Resource, then search for Datadog. Click Create and follow the steps to set up your Datadog resource. Choose the Azure resources that will send logs and metrics to Datadog. After provisioning, open your Datadog resource, then click Install Agent. Select the VMS or the app services you want to monitor, then click Install to deploy the Datadog agent as an extension. Now go back to Azure portal, access Datadog through the Azure portal for a streamlined SSO experience. Configure Datadog as a destination for logs and metrics from Azure services. Now open Datadog from Azure portal and check the Azure Virtual Machines dashboard for logs and metrics. Configure additional monitoring settings as needed, and you're done. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.